Access clean water on all your adventures with the LifeStraw Go. Ideal for outdoor use and travel, it is a BPA-free, refillable water bottle with an integrated 2-stage filter that removes harmful contaminants to keep you safe. Using it is simple. Fill the bottle, prime the filter for 10 seconds, take a few quick sips to get the water flowing, and then you can drink freely. When finished, blow the water out of the filter, replace the cap, and off you go. The first stage of the filter is the hollow fiber membrane, which keeps you safe by removing bacteria, parasites, and microplastics, and it filters 1,000 gallons of water. The second stage is the activated carbon capsule, which improves the taste of the water by reducing chemicals, and it filters 26 gallons of water. Most importantly, your purchase has impact. For every LifeStraw product you purchase, a child in need receives clean water for an entire school year. Go here, go there, go anywhere with the LifeStraw Go.